In this video I will show you how to fix a brushed motor whose brush is worn out, like this motor. If you can see, its brush is worn out. This was the positive brush and this was negative. The positive brush worn out. So in order to fix it, what you need is like this nickel. This is nickel strip. It is used to spot weld lithium battery packs. So what you have to do is cut a small piece using this scissor. Okay, cut small piece. For example, I have cut it here. Then just bend it like that. And then this, put it here. Okay. Let's check it. As you can see, the motor is working now. This is how you can fix the brush of these small DC 140 or 130 brushed motor, even bigger motors.